Hey automotive enthusiasts! Today we're diving into something that's about to shake up the plug-in hybrid market, the all-new 2025 MG HS plug-in hybrid. And trust me, the numbers we're about to discuss might make you question everything you know about hybrid SUV pricing. MG has completely transformed the HS, and this time they mean business. The new design looks properly European, with cleaner lines and better proportions than before. But here's where things get interesting. While rivals like the Kia Sportage and Nissan Qashqai keep pushing their prices skyward, the HS plug-in hybrid starts at just £31,495. It's a full £10,000 less than a Sportage plug-in hybrid. Now you might think MG must have cut corners somewhere, but wait until you hear this. Under the hood, you'll find a sophisticated plug-in hybrid system that combines a 1.5-liter turbo engine with an electric motor, delivering a combined 307 horsepower. 0 to 62 takes just 6.8 seconds, but that's not even the headline figure. This SUV can travel 75 miles on electricity alone. 75 miles. That's better than many luxury plug-in hybrids costing twice as much. Step inside, and you'll find MG has seriously upped their game. The dashboard features twin 12.3-inch displays that look properly premium. The materials feel significantly better than before. And there's space, lots of it. 3 adults can actually sit comfortably in the back, thanks to a completely flat floor, and you get a generous 507 liters of trunk space. Unlike many hybrids, you don't lose any cargo room to the batteries. On the road, the HS plug-in hybrid feels surprisingly refined. The hybrid system switches seamlessly between electric and gas power, though give it some beans, and those front tires will remind you about all 307 horses under the hood. Real-world electric range should easily exceed 60 miles, making this a genuine electric vehicle for most daily commutes. Sure, there are some quirks. The driver assistance systems can be a bit too eager with their warnings, like an overprotective parent watching their teenager drive for the first time. And the menu system takes some getting used to. But when you look at the numbers that matter, running costs, electric range, practicality, this MG makes a serious case for itself. What MG has done here is remarkable. They've created a plug-in hybrid SUV that's actually affordable, without any major compromises. In a market where electrified vehicles keep getting more expensive, that's something worth celebrating. They've managed to democratize PHEV technology in a way that other manufacturers haven't even attempted. What do you think about the new MG HS PHEV? Could this be the plug-in hybrid SUV that finally brings electrification to the masses? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more automotive content. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more content just like this. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions. I read every single one. And don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified about my next upload. See you in the next video.